Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new chart feature, a powerful addition built right into your user grid. Charts let you instantly turn your filtered data into clear, visual displays. From pie and donut charts to bar charts, with flexible grouping, aggregation, and sorting options, this feature makes it easier than ever to understand your data at a glance. Let's dive in. Before we walk you through the setup, let's first take a look at what the end result looks like. Go ahead and click on the Grid Explorer, then navigate to the Chart section. And there you have it, the chart, live and in place. Now let's walk through the two chart examples you're seeing here. The first one is a pie chart titled Amount by Stage. It groups data by the account name field and calculates the sum of the amount field. Next up is a pie chart titled Revenue by Stage. It groups by stage name and sums the amount field. Let's create a new chart. It's easy and no coding needed, we promise. Head over to the Config wizard and click on the Charts section. Give your chart a title. Choose the field you want to group by. Pick your chart type. Choose your aggregate field. Set the sort order and the aggregate operation. Click Add Chart, then hit Save. Head back to the Config wizard. And there it is, the chart we just created. And that's it. Thank you for watching.